Today, we're diving into the GROSCHE Milano Stovetop Espresso Maker and Battery-Operated Milk Frother Bundle, the ultimate kit for crafting delicious mocha lattes right in the comfort of your home. This bundle includes a 9-cup stovetop espresso maker made of food-grade anodized aluminum, ensuring durability and excellent brewing performance. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee enthusiast looking to elevate your home brewing game, this espresso maker promises to deliver rich, authentic espresso with every brew point. One of the standout features of this bundle is the battery-operated milk frother, which adds versatility to your coffee-making routine. With its stainless steel frothing wand, this frother effortlessly whips up creamy milk froth, perfect for creating indulgent lattes to complement your mocha espresso. Plus, its high-efficiency motor ensures long-lasting performance while conserving battery life, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. What sets this espresso maker apart is its ease of use and compatibility with various stovetops, including gas, electric, and even propane camping stoves. While it can be used on glass-top induction stoves, it may heat more slowly due to its non-magnetic nature. Nevertheless, its versatility and adaptability make it a must-have for coffee lovers seeking the authentic mocha experience. In addition to crafting lattes, the milk frother doubles as a multifunctional kitchen gadget, capable of whisking egg whites, emulsifying dressings, and even frothing soups. Its compact design and ease of cleaning further enhance its appeal, making it a versatile tool for both coffee enthusiasts and culinary enthusiasts alike. Overall, the GROSCHE Milano Stovetop Espresso Maker and Milk Frother Bundle offers an excellent combination of functionality, versatility, and convenience, allowing you to unleash your inner barista and indulge in cafe-quality mocha lattes from the comfort of your own kitchen. Whether you're starting your day with a velvety latte or winding down with an afternoon espresso, this bundle promises to elevate your coffee experience to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.